ChatGPT login problem, fix ChatGPT not logging in. Whether you're trying to log into ChatGPT on a mobile app or on your web address bar and you're simply not being able to do so, what are some of the reasons that could be happening? Now, it could be many reasons. First of all, let's start with some of the basic ones. If you're using Android, open up Settings. Then you want to simply go to the option called Apps. Under Apps, simply search for ChatGPT, and over here, go to the option called Storage, clear the cache files, and make sure to also clear the data. Now, if you're on iPhone, by the way, simply offload the app. You also want to make sure if ChatGPT is updated to the latest version, and also make sure if your Wi-Fi or mobile data is working just fine. Now, sometimes it could be a server issue, so in that case you might want to wait. Now, after you've done all this process, you can open up ChatGPT and try to re-log into your account. Some of the reasons why you're still not being able to log in could be due to incorrect details. So you can simply go to this login or sign up button right here, go to the login option, and here you can choose to log in using an email address, Google account, Microsoft account, Apple ID, or your phone number. So you just have to make sure that your credentials are actually correct, because if not, maybe you've forgotten your password, then you can tap on forgot password button to reset it, or maybe you could have synced your ChatGPT account with your Google account, so you can tap and continue with Google and select the respective Google account that you wish to go ahead and then sign in with, and then you will be able to go ahead and then basically fix the login problem. And you can see I'm successfully logged in. That's all it takes for us to fix the ChatGPT login problem. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon as always in the next video.